Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today we're opening up a couple of NEX models. This is a 2024 release, 124 scale 1955 Mercedes Benz 190SL and the 124 scale BMW 2002ti. These have only recently showed up on my shelf in June and I picked them up. Time to open them, show you what you get, what the quality's like, and put them on my shelf. So let's start with the BMW since it's already on the bottom there. We'll get this unboxed. Alright. Does have a protective case, plastic bit over the top, which I'm guessing is stuck on the back. Yeah. So let's get you out of the way, and I'll try not to put my hands on the painted chrome part, which looks like it's all around the windshield or windscreen door frame. No, I missed a bit. There we go. Alright. And this comes in a kind of an old school orange. I say old school, it's kind of like your light orange. Now, noticing something straight away on the back wheel, I think, okay, it's coming off. I think that's overspray, or maybe it's dust or something from the orange paint. I mean, to be honest, it actually looked like it already been driven through the dirt. But this is brand new. I've only just opened it, as you saw. Chrome mirrors, windscreen wipers, chrome around the, or chrome paint around the windscreen, BMW emblem on the front, 2002 Ti on the number plate and on the grille. Very nice. That actually looks pretty good. I think Welly's doing a little bit better with their models these days. I can see where the plastic clips into the metal there. Almost looks like they needed a bit more of a black paint to seal that up, but it does look like there is black around the window there. We have BMW on the hubcaps. Same rear has the 2002 with the BMW and also 2002 written there. This actually really looks good. I'm quite happy with these. I was like, I don't need old school cars. And then I went, you know what? 2002 was a decent car for its time. Quite sporty. If you get those in games like Forza or the likes, you'll know it. Also do them up. And this has stock wheels. Let's see if we can open up and see what's inside. Again, we're a little bit hard on the light. Let's see if we can move one of these a bit closer. Maybe a little bit behind. There we go. It's still hard to see, but we do have dials on the dash. There's stickers in there. We have a center radio as well, but that's just black plastic. Like a lot of these cars, they are black plastic inside. 2 bucket seats, bench seat on the back, no seat belts, manual gearbox with handbrake in the middle. See if we can focus that. No, the black makes it hard. Does the front come up? No, it's just the 2 doors that open, and that's actually it. Yeah. Steering wheel moves with the wheels, and this is a 16 of 24 release. Okay, so this is the old school. I'm almost inclined to call them the vintage collection. So we're up to 1624. Previous sports car ones were 15. Let's put you over to the back and get the Mercedes Benz. See if this actually comes up. Yep, 1624 on underneath here as well. So I don't know whether that's the 16th set release, because the last two cars were 15, or the series, I guess that would be called. Alright. Yeah, lime green. Not even lime, paisley green. This is like eggshell green, if you can have an eggshell green. I know there's an eggshell blue, but that's what it looks like, or reminds me of. But it goes well, I think, with the orange of the BMW. If you're going to build a diorama of the likes in 1/24 scale, I reckon these will probably look pretty good. I'm going to have to do that myself. Make a bit of a garage. Do I have the screws out? Screws going to stay in. Sorry, I shook the whole camera there. Alright. Now we have two bits of tape holding down the bonnet, hood, and the doors. So let's see if we can work out where they peel. I'll actually use this. No, I won't. It says no. Okay. And this one. So maybe I'll do that where I don't get my hand in the way. Whoa, that one's actually really tough. Okay, I think I shook the whole camera. Sorry about that. That one does the top, and this one has refused to go all the way through. Does the doors. Okay, let's get these out of the way. Alright, Mercedes 190SL. Mercedes Benz, sorry. 190SL. Black interior like most cars. This one has... Actually, I think that green in there is die cast. Okay, so the front glove box, dials, everything is die cast and painted the same as the car. We have a nice large wheel on this. Yep, steering turns it like on all. Door has a black insert to match the interior. There's a lot of black in there. Chrome mirrors. We actually have the interior mirror being in the middle because it's convertible and old school. It had it on the dash rather than up on the windscreen. Mercedes 190SL written on the back. Now that I've moved that light too close, let's get it out of the way. So yes, I use studio lights for these. I've changed over the time to try and make it as easy to see as possible. 1624 written there. Mercedes 1956. No, 55 Mercedes Benz 190SL. Not a lot under there, or black all the way to the exhaust pipe, which is black. That one's a little bit dark. Some of the other cars, what have we got? Chrome. What happened to the Mercedes? It would have been nice to do the same bit there, but anyway. Nice thin wheels. The Mercedes painted green and emblem on the hubcaps. Quite an elegant looking vehicle. Now, we can open the front. Does this open backwards or forwards? I don't remember. I thought it was backwards. Yes, there we go. I thought that might do it. Ah, there we go. That's where you've used your silver. So the engine has side draft Webers, maybe. Someone can let me know. But yeah, I'm alright with that. That looks alright. For the price of these vehicles, that's pretty good. So that is the Mercedes Benz 190SL and the BMW 2002ti from Welly through the NEX releases. Quite happy with those. Like, comment, subscribe if you're interested in looking at any future NEX models when the next release comes out. So these were 16 of 24. I have no idea what else is coming. I will go back to some of the other stuff I haven't purchased over the last few months. Some of them actually have been from last year. And then my other collection will continue that. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.